Iziqhamo, fruits. I-apile, apple. I-apile, apple. Ibanana, banana. Ibanana, banana. Idiliya, grapes. Idiliya, grapes. I-orange, orange. I-orange, orange. I-mango, mango. I-mango, mango. I-fiya, fig. I-fiya, fig. Iqunube, strawberry. Iqunube, strawberry. Ipere, pear. Ipere, pear. Iguava, guava. Iguava, guava. Ipesika, peach. Ipesika, peach. Ipayinapile, pineapple. Ipayinapile, pineapple. Niqhube kakuhle, well done. Ngoku niyawazi amagama eziqhamo. Now you know the names of fruits. Come back for more. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Bye!